First, make sure to hit that like button. So I want to start with the start of bear period. Current Bitcoin trend looks similar to June. Bitcoin on-chain data shows current trend with the short-term holder SOPR looks similar to that in June. This may mean that a bear period similar to then has started. Bitcoin short-term holders to continue realizing losses. As pointed out by analysts in a CryptoQuant post, Bitcoin short-term holders have continued to realize profits recently, as suggested by the SOPR. This trend may be similar to the one seen in June. The spot output profit ratio, or SOPR in short, is an indicator that measures the profit ratio of the overall market by looking at the price each coin was sold at and comparing it with the price it was bought at. When the value of this metric is above 1, it means holders are on average selling at a profit. On the other hand, SOPR values less than 1 would mean investors are currently dumping their Bitcoin at a loss. The value of the metric when exactly equal to 1 would imply that the overall Bitcoin market is currently breaking even. A modification of this indicator is the short-term holder STH SOPR. This metric accounts for those coins that were held for less than 155 days before sold. So the chart shows Bitcoin STH SOPR over the past year. The indicator currently seems to be below 1. As you see in the graph, which we can't see, Bitcoin STH SOPR has remained below 1 for a while now, showing that these holders have been selling at a loss. Less than a couple of weeks back, the indicator retested the SOPR equal to 1 trend line. However, it was rejected back downwards. The reason for the rejection is possibly that since the SOPR is equal 1 line represents the break-even point, holders would be keen to sell as soon as the price reaches that point, as they would feel they got their money back. A similar kind of retest of the metric was also seen back in June, when a mini bear market period was going on for Bitcoin. As the indicator was also rejected downwards, then just like now, it's possible the market may observe a similar bear market situation. I believe we're in a bear market. I believe we're in a big bull trap that led to a fake bull season, which the altcoins didn't really respond except for select fews. Certainly not XRP and some of the ones that we thought would be, in a traditional bull market. Couldn't even get back to the bull season highs. So I thought we were in a major bull trap, but I really believe we're in a bear market right now. At the time of writing, Bitcoin's price floats around 42.7K, down 10% in the last 7 days. Over the past month, the crypto has lost 12% in value. So Bitcoin's price has crashed in the past 7 days. So that's something good to watch. We'll go over Bitcoin real quick, and then we'll go further. Since Doge is up here. Doge bounced off of its support. We've got a new area that we can put down here that could be a stopping point in between the 1306 double bottom. We have to come up to about 1652. That resistance point is almost lined up symmetrically or unilaterally with the 200-day and the 30-minute time frame. So I could see a retest there. But right now, we could also get rejected at the 1610 because that's the 100-day moving average. So if you're a fan of Doge, you're lucky I was watching that. So Bitcoin, we bounced off the 42,499 support. We're up towards this 43.5 area. This is a support resistance area. If we break this, we'll come up to 44.2. The 30-minute time frame is up here around 45.3. I don't know if we have enough strength to get up there. We're going to see. We look like we're starting around the bottom, but if we can't get through the short-term moving average, this is just these fake hooks, I call it, and then they hook down. So we've got to get over this area. So that's Bitcoin. Pay